Everyone, I want to talk about this heavy duty aluminum ramp that Vevor sent to me. I wanted to thank them for sending it to me to check out. Pretty easy to put together. You can see there on the sides, these slide together from left to right or right to left, like puzzle pieces almost. You just slide them together, and then there's like a set screw that you can tighten down. You may want to crank that down pretty tight so they don't slide. But this is supposed to hold up to 800 pounds. We're going to do a test here quick, but this will be good for warehouses, wheelchairs, electric scooters, anything like that, bicycles, hand trucks. This is high grade aluminum, so it should be rust resistant. Has nice treads on it for traction and pretty heavy duty for wear and tear. So I'm going to put it down here. My step is probably 6 inches. This is a 4-inch rise, but you could get them in 6-inch rises. So measure your step or curb or wherever you want to add it to beforehand. But you can see here, nice and sturdy, very strong. If you want to use a hand truck or anything like that. It makes it a lot easier to do. So I hope this review is helpful. Thanks for watching.